Hello, welcome to the seventh topic in the JSS1 scheme of work. The topic is estimation and approximation. As part of this topic, we would learn the meaning of estimation, estimation of length and area, estimation of mass and capacity, meaning of rounding off numbers, and understanding rounding off numbers, then steps to rounding off numbers to various place value, meaning of approximation, how to approximate numbers, then approximation of numbers to decimal place and significant figures. Approximation involving basic operation, and then everyday activities involving approximation. We believe that by the end of this topic, you would be able to solve several problems on these itemized objectives. Thank you.